If you want to learn more about AI, blockchain, Spring Boot, and other technologies, don't forget to like, share, and follow 7MC Official. Thank you.
Are you ready to unlock the secrets of web development? Imagine building complete web applications from scratch. Yes, today we'll dive into full-stack web development. Full-stack web development involves both front-end and back-end. Let's break this down step by step. First, we start with HTML. HTML is the backbone of any website. It structures all web content. You'll learn how to use elements like headings, paragraphs, and links. Next, we explore CSS. CSS styles your HTML. It makes your website visually appealing. Think of CSS as the paint on a canvas. Now, let's talk about JavaScript. JavaScript brings your website to life. It enables interactivity and dynamic content. For example, think of a button that changes color when clicked. That's JavaScript at work. After that, we move to React. React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It helps create single-page applications effortlessly. You'll understand components, state, and props. Then, we dive into Node.js. Node.js allows you to run JavaScript on the server side. This means you can handle requests and manage databases directly. Finally, we can't forget MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database. It stores data in flexible formats. That means you can easily scale your application as it grows. To sum everything up, you need HTML for structure, CSS for styles, and JavaScript for interaction. React helps with UI components, Node.js handles server-side tasks, and MongoDB manages data storage. Excited to start your journey? Subscribe, like, and share this video for more tutorials. Happy coding!